how to use or how to redeem your Target gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipen Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use or manage your Target gift card. Now, the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you can do is you can do so on your application, the Target application, but I'll be showing you here on the browser, so it'll be easy for you. So here you wanna head into your browser and head into target.com, the official Target website, and there what you want to do is you want to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll get an interface somewhat like this. You want to tap on the profile icon that you can see there on the screen. Once you tap on profile, you can see there under circle there the gift cards option. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on gift cards, it will load up the another page. Now you can see it says you have no gift cards. What you want to do is you want to tap on the plus icon there at the right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on plus icon here, you'll be able to enter in your card number, your access number, and then simply tap on add, and then it'll be added. So this way you can add your Target gift card, and next time you make a purchase through Target, you can use it as your payment method. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.